Oh, hey, Willow. Come here. Oh, I'm out here checking on the goats. We've got a problem with barber pole worm, so I've given everybody some Quest, making sure they're okay. Hey, girls. This is Willow. Nah, get over here. What, Ginger? Bah. So everybody's been dewormed, right? Okay, we'll check up. I'll go check on Hannah's the one that had the worst outbreak. All right, you four. Peanut. So these have all been treated also with Quest. You guys are a pain. Get down. All right, get back here. Yep. Oh, I'd let you out, but better not. You're doing all right. Hi, guys. Hey, Mr. Bojangles, Peanut. Can't remember your name. Okay, so what we had. I know it's Hannah. This one right here. I know she was losing weight, so I figured she has a parasite of some kind. So we did a fecal count on her, and she's got barber pole worm. So we treated her, and I've actually treated everybody. Everybody except for the dog. So Rahab's been treated, Delilah's been treated, Hannah, of course, and then Pixie and Dixie have all been treated for barber pole. I didn't do a fecal count on them. I just figured since I got one with such a viral load that, you know, what's doing is all the grass. The grass is growing now, fresh grass, and so having an outbreak of barber pole worm. And this usually happens. I get it every year. I don't know why. And I do rotate them in and out, so I don't know, just have to deal with it. All right. Be a lady, would you? Oh, sweetheart. Yeah, she's a good girl. There's Rahab. She's Bo and Kiko. She's even got waddles. Good girl. Come here, Delilah. You're looking good. You got the weight on. I like it when they got some weight on for winter. Going into winter. Good girl. She's Bo and Kiko too, and these are both her kids. This year's kids. And of course, Kane, he's getting old. Gonna retire him next year and get another guardian dog. He'll be 8. All right. Time for you to gain some weight, girl. Yeah, she's too skinny.